So that's the container, and that's where the government is doing a great job. Look at that, they're protecting all of it. You see? They put the boulders there, the rocks all the way, and now they are doing all the asphalt, the tarmac here. They brought the machines. It's looking good. Good morning from St. Croix. I think it's March 26th or so. So it'll be nice. Morning guys, how are you? Good. People walking and me having fun here. That's the property. Those are the neighbors or tourists, I don't know yet. So I'm fixing the container inside, cleaning because we're gonna start the windows. And I noticed that the generator, pretty good generator, amazing, was making noises and black smoke. And I said black smoke is usually extra fuel. I was running it with the choke on. Never do that because it's bad for the environment. It consumes more gasoline. It actually wears and tear the engine because it increases the temperature of burn, produce more CO2. So it was like 2-3 minutes, but it was a stupid thing. I forgot to remove the choke that is here. The choke is only to a cold start in the winter, usually. Otherwise, you don't need it. You really don't need it. And that's the deal, guys. Let's enjoy. Subscribe to the channel. Click on the playlist, comment, and like it.